Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add a link to TikTok bio. If you're using TikTok and you want to add a link to your TikTok bio, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your TikTok app and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right and here just tap on edit option and go to bio section and you can add different links. But using this method, your links are not clickable. You cannot click or just tap on your link to open the link. This feature is not available here. But if you want to use that feature, you just have to switch your account type to a professional or the business accounts. Not to do that, you just have to tap on three dots in the top right, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on account, and from here select switch to business account. Now here you just have to try to set up your business account, tap on next here, then next again, and here you just have to choose the category. Let's say I'm gonna select this one here, just tap on next again. And you just have to enter your email address. I'm going to skip it now. And your business account is now ready. So once you have done your business account, you just have to go back to your profile page. Now on this section, just tap on edit option again. And here you'll get a link section. So you just have to try to add a link here. Just tap on add and paste your link if you have copied. I have already copied, so I'm going to paste it here. Just tap on save option and your link will be saved. Now go back. And here you can see that there's a clickable link to my TikTok bio account bio. Now I can directly go to this page by typing on this link here. So in this way, you can easily add the link to your TikTok bio. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.